Okay, here's the grouting's done, and my wife just used a sponge and water to wipe off the haze that was left on the grout. Still have to put the outlet covers on and finish the edges. Have to finish this edge. Either caulk, we're going to have to caulk everywhere and then put some kind of edging on. It has a nice shiny surface to it. Okay, my wife sealed the tile, and she didn't put the sealer over the whole tile surface. She just used a brush and just literally brushed it on, and that keeps down the amount of cleaning and so forth you have to do. I think she got this from watching the YouTube video. Here's the tile she used. We got it from Menards, I believe. Professional Choice with the Miracle Sealants Company. It's tile, stone, and grout sealer. It's stain and water resistant. Water based, so it's easy to clean, and low VOCs, volatile organic chemicals. And then we caulked the bottom of the tiles with the caulk. We got it again from Menards. It's 850 number, and it's a textured caulk. And then she smoothed it down with her fingers. My wife did. You can obviously use tools to smooth it also. I'm still putting on electrical outlet covers. I'm going to have to adjust some of them. That's why they're still uncovered. Okay, in places like this where I should have the power off to your outlets before you do this too. I should have brought the tile down a little bit so this would lap over like that, but I didn't, and so as a result you have to put a spacer of some kind in here. I got these from Menards, and they're 0.187 inches or 4.75 millimeters, and they're made of a plastic material, and there's a hole for the machine screw to go through, and then you can fold them over if you need more than one to get the thickness you need. Looks like it may take about 2. Okay, I put 2 in. I think it's going to take 2, thickness of 2, and I'm just cutting in between with scissors. So you just fold them together like that. You want to put it on like this so it doesn't, if you put it on upside down, it'll slide off the screw possibly. So you put it in like this, put the screw through it, and it's pretty simple. You put it behind like that, and then just tighten the machine screw. And put the cover on. Like so.